Hey, what's going on around here? Oh no! I'll never get any shut-eye with Wally's crazy hiccuping. It's 3 a.m. Some people are trying to sleep around here.
Oh, Woodpecker. It's the family curse of the Hiccup-Eders. No! Phew. It almost destroyed my best Swedish meatball trophy. Ooh. My grandmama says the only cure is to stand on your head and drink a glass of water. Whoa!
Oh, let me help her. I'll never get any sleep. Now, let's get you into those boots. Hey, this is gonna work. Then we'll both get some sleep. Trust me.
Okay, I trust. Oh, Ferd.
Stop moving and drink the water, man.
Woodpecker.
Get off of me, you... Wait a second. Aunt Fern used to cure her hiccups by holding her breath. Hey, Wally, buddy, I know how to stop your hiccup-duper-poopers.
No way, Woodpecker. Your antidotes are too dangerous. I'll cure myself.
You couldn't cure a ham, Wally. Hold your breath. Hold it. My Aunt Fern swears by this remedy. That's it, Wally. Hold it right there. Hey, Wally, say, Wally, what time you got, Wally?
Well, it's 1:45. Skunk!
Hold this and your breath. Hold it, Wally. Hold it. I promise you don't want a whiff of this stuff. It worked, didn't it? I broke the curse of the hinkle-hoopa whatchamacallits.
Oh, that does it. Stay away from me, Woodpecker. You're a curse. You're worse than any Hiccup-Eders.
Okay, fine. I know when I'm not appreciated. Good night. What's it gonna take?
Boo. Ah, Ferd. Boo. Oh, Ferd.
So, he wants to scare the hiccups away, hmm? Well, then I'm just what the doctor ordered.
Oh, it's no use. Hiccup. 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 Oh, the end is near. Oh, at least I still have you, my pride and shining joy. Oh! Hiccup!
Scaring him doesn't work. Holding his breath doesn't work. Drinking water upside down doesn't... Wait a minute. These Hiccup-Poopers are so bad, maybe I gotta do all 3 cures at once.
Woodpecker, no! It is the only thing I got left.
The sun's coming up, Wally. Neither of us has slept a wink. I'll let better drop if you don't stop the hiccups! Holding raft, check. Inflatable raft, just add water. Okay. Drinking water upside down. Okay, that should do it.
Say, I'm from the Book of World Records, and I hear someone has a record-breaking case of the Hiccup-Poopters.
That'd be him.
Well, if they're truly record breakers, I'd like to present the lucky victim with this check for $1 million!
$1 million? Why, sure. He's got the super-duper Hiccup-Pooper thingies, but I'm his agent, and I'll need a cut of that cash when he...
You get nothing, Woodpecker!
I give you a world record, Hiccup-Poopter. Yeah, you bet. Okay, guess I'll go see about that guy on Maple Street who can whistle with his toes. Wait, yeah, please. Wait. No, wait. I can do this. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I know I can do it.
Well, at least now I can finally get some shut-eye.
Runs in my family.
Ah, finally. Sleep. Hiccup! The Hiccup-Poopters! Oh, no! Hiccup! Tough nut, huh? The perfect nutcracker. Say, Wally, neighbor, old buddy, old pal of mine, can I borrow that clamp there?
No. Can't you see I'm putting together a Swedish fjord skimmer for my nephew Willie? It's his birthday.
Now go away!
What's all that gooey stuff, Wally?
Don't mess with it. This is super sticky, extra strength Swedish model glue.
Hey, would you look at that fjord?
There. I don't see any. Hey, wait a minute. What are you up to, Woodpecker? No good something, I can feel it in my bones.
Whoa!
Now get out of here before I get mad.
That Swedish nut job still got my nut.
Over the ocean and through the bay, I send you to Sweden for Willie's birthday today.
Cover the eyes with patches of green, then open my walnut without being seen.
What's going on here? I don't have time for your shenanigans, Woodpecker. I have to mail this to Sweden today.
Take it easy, Wally. I'll handle this. Good as new, see?
Oh, get out of here!
Aha!
Hey, watch it there!
You get off! You get off!
What's the big idea?
Now you've done it, Woodpecker. We're stuck together, but good.
Oh, no. I'm not staying stuck to you.
Give me back my tusks.
Don't get your shorts in a bunch. I'll get us help.
Ooh, I don't have time for this monkey business. I got to get that present mailed. Ooh.
Hello, hardware store? Is there such a thing as super sticky, extra-strength Swedish model glue unglue? Because I'm stuck to my neighbor. Wow, you do have unglue? We'll be right there. Wally, old buddy. We gotta head downtown to the hardware store.
No, we go uptown to the post office.
Downtown.
Uptown.
Downtown.
Uptown.
The hardware store's 3 blocks that way.
They're going to the post office. 3 blocks this way.
Hardware store.
Post office.
Hardware store.
Post office. Enough!
If we'd gone to the hardware store, this wouldn't have happened. Whoa. I'm free! Whoopee! Hey, Wally, this is bad. You mind? Here. I gotta get out of here. Hey, what are you
Huh? Peanut butter got your tongue or something.
You gotta let me out of here.
Okay, I've seen enough of this freak show.
No, wait! One package to Sweden, yeah? No!
I'll repackage it with some packing peanuts. Just once, I'd like a normal day.
Oh, yoy! A big birthday present for me! Uncle! You come to play piggyback like with your neighbor Woody, yeah? Sticky! Uncle, how do I get down to... Oh, you stick to me!
Oh, you woodpecker, look what you done now.
Where's your birthday spirit?
You ruined Billy's birthday.
Woodpecker! I'm not telling you again! You're making too much noise!
And here they come across center ice.
Huh? Did you hear me?
Hey, put that back. Morning, officer. It's not my fault, your judgeship. She's a nutcase.
I tell you, it's him, Your Honor, with his pecking and...
Order in my court! This is the 3rd time this month you two have been in for disturbing the peace and destroying city property. I'm ordering you both into therapy until you learn to get along.
What?
I am Dr. Von Brain. Welcome to my clinic.
Is this gonna take long, Doc? The hockey playoffs are on TV and...
Some of us want to hear what the good doctor has to say about how crazy you are!
Now, first, look at these cards. If you say, for instance, tree, good. Broccoli, maybe. Cow riding a bicycle, you're cuckoo.
Oh, I know. A woodpecker getting flushed down the john. A woodpecker flattened by a steamroller. A dinosaur eating a woodpecker. But I got a copy of these from my den.
You're nuts and you're going down, Meanie.
I must consult my medical journal, Mr. Woodpecker. I'll be back.
What are you up to, Woodpecker?
Help, Doc! She's attacking me! Meanie! Stop! Help me, Doc!
What is the meaning of this, Mr. Woodpecker?
You had 2 doors. Who knew?
I also have 2 patients who need deep therapy. Secondly, we will have you do the art therapy. You are to create an artistic expression of how you feel. When you are done, ring this bell. I will look at your artwork and then fully understand what is going on inside your little brains.
It'd take a whole museum full of art to understand your brain, Woodpecker. My true inner feelings are just straining to be let free.
Oh, what do you know? It's the inner me. I wondered where I left it.
Woodpecker!
Hey, don't hog the ride.
Oh, boy.
Uh-oh.
Somebody ding dong? Who is responsible for this?
He is.
You two simply cannot be left alone together. There is only one solution: aversion therapy. These helmets monitor everything you're feeling. Woody, go ahead and pinch Miss Minnie.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna love this therapy.
Good. You see, the helmet sensed your hostility and told a hidden nozzle to spritz you.
Ha! Serves you right, Woodpecker!
You see, the helmets will keep sending you reminders whenever you aren't getting along, okay? I now leave you to be cured.
What are you so happy about?
I have self-discipline, Woodpecker. Nothing you can do can get me riled up.
Oh, what's your problem, you raggedy rent gouger? This must be what gets the signal from the helmets. Now, when I feel like clobbering Meanie, I won't get it. She will.
Hey, Woodpecker, what's that funny-looking thing on your neck? Oh, it's your head! Ha-ha! That does it, you screwy walking featherbed!
Man, this sure isn't working like I wanted.
Aha! So the Woodpecker's trying to liven things up, is he? All righty. This is for drying your laundry in my microwave.
This is for selling my bagpipes without telling me, you penny-pinching, cactus-loving, loony excuse for a landlady.
Oh, yeah? Well, this is for buying it back and serenading me at 2 a.m.
Well, I think they should be cured by now. My clinic! Oh, no!
Woodpecker, you look like a drowned rat.
Crazy Woodpecker! Crazy Woodpecker's crazy landlady! Look what you did with your crazy woodpecker landlady kind of fighting.
Mommy. Well, I guess there's one thing we can agree on, Meanie.
That doctor and his therapies are crazy.
And now a word from Smedley's Scrumptious Frozen Fish Dinners.
Howdy. Are you a hungry TV watcher? Let me show you how I fast freeze all that great taste into my frozen dinners. I use only the most modern freezing methods available to man a dog. This here is liquid nitrogen. Whatever y'all do, do not try this at home. Go buy Smedley's frozen fish dinners. Meanwhile, I'll search for a new freezing technique that won't leave me broke.
Outstanding debt, $7,300. Current cash, 0. You owe money in 17 states, and...
The Antarctic is the perfect place to find the newest fast freezing techniques that will succeed where my latest ideas have failed. I could have sworn I heard something. Huh? Now, I definitely don't remember that there windsock. Owning a frozen dinner franchise can be a mighty chilly business. People will stop at nothing to steal your fast-freezing secrets. The ice here in the Antarctic is the most frigidest ice in the world. And cold contact is my newest freezing technique. Huh? These here ice blocks will quick freeze my dinners faster than a bug in a blizzard. Now hold on one ice-picking minute here, small fry. Special delivery. Send this pest to the remotest corner of the world. Now, if I place my dinner right here, the frigid wind chill factor from this here fan will blow on it. Then, when the thermometer drops to here, my dinners will be frozen solid. The wind chill factor from this here fan will make the mercury in that there thermometer drop faster than a bad chin tuck. Looks like I'll need more wind chill than I first thunk. That does it! long underwear, here I come. Hold it right there, you snowbound bamboozler. You got no right taking this here food before it's properly frozen, and no right taking it, period, question mark. Do I make myself clear as an ice cube? Oh, little feller, say, you really are a fan of Smedley's frozen fish dinners. $485,000 for Smedley's frozen fish dinners from the Igloo Emporium. 96 cents. You gotta understand, I'm just trying to find the best method to fast freeze all that tasty freshness into my frozen dinners. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Why, of course! Who would know better? The secrets of fast freezing than a penguin. One for you. And one for me. One for you. And one for me. One for you. And one for me. Yep, like my Uncle Fritz always used to say, you can lead a penguin to water, but it takes one smart dog to make him fish for you.
Sun and fun, here I come. Woo-wee!
What do you mean I'm not sick?
As your doctor, Miss Meanie, I'm telling you, there's nothing wrong with you. Nothing a personality transplant couldn't cure.
Any fool can see I'm sick and weak and near death's door.
I'm telling you for the last time, Miss Meanie, you're not sick. It's all in your head.
And you're a quack, Dr. Flack! I'm a poor, sick lady who needs...
Surf's up.
Woodpecker! Get over here! According to our rental agreement, you have to run errands and care for me whenever I'm sick. Or you're out on your tail feathers.
Ah, phooey. You're not sick, Miss Meanie. I heard that doctor say it's all in your head.
I am sick, I tell ya. Sick! My skin's gone all saggy. I'm all run down. And that's only the beginning. The first thing I need you to do is to go to the pharmacy. Give this to the pharmacist. It lists all my symptoms. He should be able to recommend something. Well, don't just lie there. Get hopping!
Quick! I need something to cure all the symptoms in this book.
Now you go back to that pharmacy and...
No, please, don't make me go back there again. Say, Miss Meanie, did I ever tell you I know lots of secret home remedies?
What kind of home remedies?
You name it, my family knew how to cure it. Back strain, neck pain, even fixes for your ailing kitchen drain. Yes, sirree, Bobolink. I can cure halitosis, symbiosis, and even the occasional fungus that shows up in my toeses.
You're probably right. No one's been able to help me yet, so if you can't, no one can. Let's get to it.
Nothing's ever gonna help her. I'm just gonna have to get myself fired so's I can go to the beach. I'm about to share with you a secret cure for back pain.
Whoa!
Perfection!
Oh, it hurts! But it's a good hurt, Woodpecker. Oh, it's good! Oh, yeah! Oh,
Maybe even my home treatments aren't gonna work. You should fire me right now, Miss Meanie.
Oh. Woodpecker! My back! It's cured! It's a miracle! Whoopee! Yeah!
What do you got for my saggy skin?
Nothing helps that saggy skin of yours like a good soak in an herbal bath. Now you add your sour cream, and, canned yams are always good. Bam! Kosher pickles, oatmeal, poultry, fresh fruit, seafood. Thicken with flour. Add parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. And now to finish it off, a little splash of hot sauce.
Yes!
Simmer under cover until well done. Finally, the beach! Woodpecker!
Now that's what I call a skin toner. And thanks for lunch.
What's it gonna take to get fired around here? And now, a cure for your rundown constitution. This electromagnet is guaranteed to attract positive karma and repel negative ions. Oops. Maybe I got your energy flowing a bit too much, huh?
Woodpecker! My ions feel better than they have in years. I'm cured, and you've done it all for me!
I have? You mean I can go?
It's a miracle, everybody! I tell you, I've never felt better in my life!
Well, it looks like the doctor's ordering sun, sand, and surf for this woodpecker.
Woodpecker! Miss Meanie told me you could cure the corns on my bunions, yeah?
Hey, palsy, could you whip up something for my post-nasal depression?
Sorry, the doctor's out and the surf is up. Free lifetime membership to anyone who can make a hole-in-one tomorrow? Oh, boy, that's for me.
Hello? Yeah? A gig tomorrow? Oh, yoy! Better practice my tuba playing.
Better practice my long drive.
You wanna tell me
Phooey!
What's going on around here?
Sorry there, neighbor. I'll just practice in the other direction. I'll have to drive at least 300 yards tomorrow. I better see how far this bad boy can fly. You wanna play a duet? Let's do it! What do you know? The perfect target practice. Four!
Woodpecker?
Looks like you got some of my balls.
What comes in my yard stays in my yard.
Aw, come on. Be a sport and just give 'em back.
I said no.
Okay. I guess you just don't have it in you.
Have what in me?
You can't blow hard enough on that thing to send those balls back.
Oh, yeah? Watch.
Well, what do you know? You're a real big bag of air after all.
Do-de-do-de-do-de-do-de-do.
My club.
Do-de-do-de-do-de-do-de-do.
Better get 40 winks if I want to be fresh on the links. Close one, eh? This woodpecker's gonna do what a woodpecker's gotta do. I am Hans von Silencio, the greatest tuba player of all time. Yeah, I was passing by when I heard your playing.
Oh, maestro, I have heard of your great...
Silence! What you're playing is missing is silence. You should be so good that the audience could actually fall and sleep in their chairs, yeah.
Yeah.
Shh. Shh.
He loves my playing. Sleep well, Mr. Hans von...
Woodpecker!
Uh-oh, miss me. Ha! Woo! There you go.
Ooh, you're stupid. I get my hands on you by...
Just gotta catch my Z's. It's tea time. One hole in one coming right down.
Woodpecker!
A hole-in-one! A hole-in-one! We have our newest lifetime club member, Woody Woodpecker!
What? No! No!
Suddenly, a creature leapt out and surprised Zach Zobar. He hit it with his plasma rifle, but ran out of ammo. Then, Zach Zobar loaded all the ship's intergalactic pooper guns, ready for that night's invasion. Yeah!
What are you little yard monsters up to tonight, hmm?
We're protecting the neighborhood from space aliens, Miss Meanie. Wanna help?
No! And make sure you keep your aliens out of my yard.
Okay, we will. Yeah, bye. You betcha. Uh-oh. Sorry, Uncle Woody. We're watching out for aliens. Good night, you two. Don't bother me unless you actually bag an alien. Aliens. Those kids. Uh-oh, what was that? Check the alien reference guide. It's this tentacled alien Cyclops for sure. Man your stations! Space rockets ready to launch!
What's that? Whoa! Yikes! Woodpecker's on a stick!
Hey, you're not an alien.
No. I'm Buzz Flight Gear! Yeah! Me and Zach Zobar here was in the flight academy together, back in the day.
You know Zach Zobar? I don't remember you from any comics.
Well, I'm on a very dangerous mission to fight an alien hiding out in this old house. Read all about it in the next issue, or perhaps in tomorrow's paper. Now scram!
Not it. If we help Buzz Flight Gear, we could be in the next issue, too. Where did he go? The alien! Buzz, we thought you were an alien.
No! No! But hey, maybe you could help me. See, these particular baddies are using the Intergalactical Appliance Alliance to make themselves invisible. All you gotta do to jam their invisibility frequency is to gather up all the radios, TVs, and stack them in the northeast corner of the house. Say here, by the back door.
All right, go Buzz Flight Gear!
Yeah, to infinity and beyond.
Hey, Knothead, don't aliens like to hide under beds and in dark places? Yeah, let's set a trap. We can get the radios and stuff later. Perfect. Now let's go bust that Appliance Alliance.
And what self-respecting penny pincher doesn't like hiding her goodies under the mattress? Sometimes my job is just too easy. Calamity!
Alien, get it!
We got it! It's Buzz. Yeah, he doesn't look so good.
Help! Help me!
The alien must have taken over his body. Close call, eh, Buzz?
Huh? Oh, yeah, good job. Now all you gotta do is keep away from me. Keep it away from me. Here, take this, and take all this. Just keep yourselves busy. Make yourselves the world's most powerful alien eradicator. I gotta get out of here. Huh?
Whoa! Buzz, it's too powerful!
What is all that?
Hi, Uncle Woody. You're up late.
Please, buddy, you gotta help me. All I was trying to do was rob the joint, peaceably like.
You mean you're not a friend of Zach Zobar's?
A crook shouldn't have to go through what these kids put me through. I was just, and the kids were just.
See, kids, I told you there was no such thing as aliens. Now let's get some shut-eye.
Uncle Woody!
Oh, boy, betcha go home, Brooke. Yep, this is the place.
A sucker. A customer. Welcome to Buzzard's General Store, where our saying is, if we don't have it, buy something else. What do you need, pal?
I need supplies for gold mining.
Gold mining?
Yeah, my great-grandpappy was Feathers MacPecker, gold miner extraordinaire, and I have his secret map.
Then what you need is a guide. Someone who's wood smart, knows how to pack light, and won't let you end up hors d'oeuvres for a bear. I come with the supply.
Deal.
Since I'm gonna be your guide, maybe I ought to take a look-see at that map.
Sorry, it's top secret. Whew! All that hiking has made me smell kind of foul. Bath time.
I'll have that map in no time.
Oh, my grandpa, oh, my grandpa, oh, my grandpa, he was swell. He left to me a secret gold mine, but he told me not to tell.
What a sucker, what a sucker, what a sucker and a sip. I'm gonna swim up right behind you so I can steal your stinking map.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Seems I've got too many hands. Hey! What do you think you're doing with that? I guess anything you want to do with it.
You seem like a very busy bear. Places to go, people to eat. I'll see you around. my chance to get that map and ditch this chump.
I keep the map, bub.
Oh, ew. But I'll need to see it so I knows where's to let you, us off.
We need to get off right up ahead.
Good. I'll have us there in... Ah! Oh, no! If he goes over those falls, I'm gonna lose that map. Oh, I made it! Huh?
Oh, Mr. Guide. Bye-bye. The fall's not so bad. It's the bottom that'll get you.
Fall! A good guide always leads the way. The trick to getting across a rope bridge is to travel light. Okay, now throw my stuff over. Now throw all your heavy things. A good guide always leads the way.
What does it take to get rid of this guy?
Now I'll climb ahead and set these pitons for you. When I give you the signal, climb up. When you're good, you're me.
Oh, Mr. Buzzard.
Whoa. Go this way. Ha! Looks like I beat that city-slicking woodpecker after all. Now where's that gold at? Well done.
The McPecker mine. And it's all mine. Whee-hee! Gold! I'm rich! I'm rich! Whew! How am I gonna get this back down the trail?
That gold's mine, and I'm taking it with me.
You win, Buzz. You win. Just please, please, whatever you do, don't put me in that cage. Oh, please, Buzz, no. Don't leave me here.
So long, sucker.
Ground floor, going up.
Well done.
Buzzy, old boy, what took you?
But well...
Thanks for carrying the load. I'll take it from here.